Welcome back, dear students. In this session we discuss about the NOR gate as a universal gate. In previous session we discuss about the NAND gate as a universal gate. In this session we discuss about the NOR gate as a universal gate. Now, as we know, for the NOR gate or any gate we have to using these three basic gate. For using these basic gates and OR and NOT, we can using these three gates we are sufficient to implement any digital systems or any logic gate. So by using these three we can develop any logic gate. So that's why if we convert by using this NOR gate and OR and NOT, we can directly convert any of these three. That's why we can say that implement any digital systems by NOR alone. So let us start. Because we have to basic knowledge about the all gates Boolean expression is truth table in previous session also. That's why we have directly study by using this NOR gate as a universal gate. So first of all our agenda is to convert the first basic gate by using the NOR gate. So first is our NOR as a NOT. Now for the NOR gate we know that the Boolean expression is a plus b whole bar. And our requirement is y is equal to a bar. So this is our NOT gate and this is our NOR gate. So how we can convert this NOR gate in form of this NOT? So here is the single input. That's why here I take, instead of two input, the same input here, and then this will given into the NOR. So this is our symbol of NOR. So what happened? Instead of b, here I take as a, so a plus a whole bar. So by using the Boolean expression low, a plus a we have taken as a, so a bar. So this using this single one in NOR gate we can convert. So if the symbol is, this is single input, sorry, this is single input and the symbol of NOR, so a converted a bar. So this is our first gate, NOR as a NOT. So whenever we require this NOT gate we can draw as a NOR form. Okay, now our second one is a NOR as a OR gate. Now we know that y is equal to a plus b. This is a equation of our OR gate, but we have y is equal to a plus b bar because this is a form of NOR. So we do not want this bar, so we have to convert this formula. So this will given into the NOT, so automatically this will our OR function. So what happen? We just take one NOR gate. So I take one NOR gate. Remember we only use the NOR gate for any implementation or any proof. So here is a plus b bar. I don't want this bar, so add this NOT gate. So just using this NOT form in terms of NOR. So once again I here draw one other. So here our input just convert, the output is a plus b bar whole bar. So this is convert a plus b. So this is form of OR gate. So first of all I using NOR as a NOT, using require one NOR gate here. For NOR as a OR I require this one and this two. So means two NOR gate. So these two gate we can develop by using only NOR. Now our third one is a NOR as a AND. Here I know y is equal to a dot b is an AND operation, and y is equal to a plus b whole bar is our NOR function. So this is our AND function and this is our NOR function. This is a plus and this is a dot. So I want to convert this plus product to dot product. So same way here I require De Morgan's law. I require De Morgan's law and convert plus form to dot product. So this is our De Morgan's law. A plus B bar is equivalent to A bar dot B bar. So here I have A plus B bar. So instead of this I written A bar dot B bar, but I don't require A bar and B bar. I just require A dot B. So what happen if I also write same way A bar dot B bar and convert. So just I put this A bar and dot B bar and convert this A bar dot B bar in the form of using here I take NOT gate, and also I using NOT gate and just convert in form of A and B. How? See, we just see our first take as a NOR gate. So I take two input. Here is a NOR gate. Here is a input and here is a B input, but I require A bar as a input and B bar as a input. So I just take one NOR gate here and just convert. I just take a NOR A. So here I change A to A bar. Same way I take a B as an input and just convert into B bar form. So now what happened, as the output is here A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay, but I didn't want this A bar dot B bar, because in a conversion of De Morgan's law, as I see here, A bar plus B bar whole bar. So apply De Morgan's law, I just receive A bar bar dot B bar bar. So this will be converted into A dot B. So using this De Morgan's law, I receive here output Y is equivalent to A dot B. So here is a Y is equal to A dot B. So using these three, 1, 2 and these three NOR gate, we make a AND gate. Okay, this is simple. So what can I do first? I just check here, convert the plus to dot by using the De Morgan's law, and I check this is available, and then I will be put here and simplify. This is equivalent to particular this gate. Okay, and now we know that if we just add the one another gate in a form to convert, so here input and this is our suppose AND gate, and just we inverted, it become a NAND gate. So we are already having a AND gate using NOR. So we just add one another input in forward of input. So this is will be become, so this is our one gate, this is our second NOR gate. So A and B, and these two together, one I using the NOR gate, and this will be inverted by using NOT gate. So what happened here is a bar and B bar. Here our output is A dot B and final output is A dot B bar. This is equivalent to NAND gate. By using that we are require 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we require 4 NOR gate for develop NAND gate. Okay. Now we want to develop XOR gate by using NOR form. So here Y is equal to A plus circle B. This is our basic formula of XOR. So this is our basic Boolean expression of XOR, and our NOR form is A plus B bar. This is our NOR form. So we want to develop here also we simplify XOR is A bar B plus A B bar. So this form we want to convert here. So at that time we require this form in form of A bar and B bar. So first of all we just take the single input and then convert and then input. Suppose this is A bar, so I take one NOR as a NOT and this A becomes A bar, and the B I have taken direct. Okay, so this form is available. This is B and A bar. Now this is dot product. For dot product, I know that I require 3 gates. I require 3 gates. So here is the input, and then I will be once again convert. Same way, this one is also convert, and this, according to previously we see that the converting in the AND gate we require 3 gates. So this will be converted into A dot B form. Okay, so this is our A bar dot B bar. Now same way we require A dot B bar. So I take this A once again here, A simple and B. So I take here as a B and then convert by using NOR as a NOT. So this is our B bar. Now these two both are using dot product or AND form. So these two inputs same as this way we can have to just convert, and this together, this will taken our output is A B bar. Okay, so these two form are developed, and this plus form we have to require. So this is a NOR as a OR, so that's why we require another 2 gates of NOR here. So these two given once again here as a another way, and there's just convert. So here is a form of this output is A bar dot B plus A B bar whole bar. Okay, and this is inverted, so A bar B plus A B bar. So this all I using only NOR gate and getting this final output which is equivalent to our XOR. So we require 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 to develop this. Okay, and suppose we have to require NOR, so one other here I take gate here, I take A bar B plus A B bar whole bar, or we say that A plus circle B bar. So this form is called as NOR gate. So here I require 11 gates, or here I require 10, but this is too much. So I want to reduce this gate or reduce this circuit by using the different way. How we can draw XOR or XNOR with minimum NOR gate. Okay, so what happened? So I just draw first XOR by using minimum gate. So first of all, I remember that this will is a repeated some portion, so I have some repeated portion is delete. So this is our A, our output here. Here is we require B, but we require, suppose this is also our second one is the B, and this is A. I require B is a inverted form, so I take here and inverted. Okay, so here I take B bar. Same way I require to convert A, so I take here, so I take here A bar, and here is a B, and here is a A. Okay, so this together I take once another NOR form. Here is what I receive A plus B bar whole bar, and here I receive A bar plus B whole bar. Once again I together I take received here A plus B bar bar plus a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, and once again that I have require here another gate. So what happen, I receive a plus b bar whole bar plus a bar plus b whole bar. Okay, by using this here I De Morgan's law, what happened, plus 2 dot product, plus 2 dot product that I received here, a bar dot b bar whole bar, this is dot product using this De Morgan's law here. Okay, this Morgan law here, plus here De Morgan's law I take a bar bar dot b bar. So bar bar will be cancelled out. So here I received a bar plus I received here b bar. A bar plus b bar, sorry, here b or bar I take is receive b, and here I received a. So our output is a bar b plus a b bar, because b bar bar is a b, so is a b bar bar b, and this is a bar bar a. So this is equivalent to our a plus circle b or x or gate output. So this is our final y. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 together make a XOR. If you require XNOR, so we do not want here to convert, the last portion we have to just remove. So this all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, here output is our y is equal to a plus circle b bar. So this is our equivalent to XNOR. So by using this way we can understood about the NOR as a universal gate. Okay, now remember the this thing in a form of also tabulate differently how to remember. So thank you very much for this particular universal gate. Okay.